Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In today's video we are going to paint a beautiful mother and daughter playing scenery. So you can give this painting to your mother as a Mother's Day gift, or you can paint it on greeting card and gift it to your mother. So let's start. For sunset I am using here yellow arc, orange, crimson red and purple color. So we have to apply these colors in circular fashion around our sun. Mix these colors while they are wet so they will easily blend with each other. We have very special place for our mother in our life. She is our first true best friend with whom we share all our things. And we have very special childhood memories connected to our mother. So this Mother's Day, give your mother a special painting and express your love and respect to her. Now we paint our tree with, I'm using here round brush number 4 and drawing up random branches. This painting will definitely remind you of your childhood days, the memories you have spent with your mother. So do give it a try and let me know what you are gifting this Mother's Day. Also, let me know about the feedback on this painting. If you have any query, feel free to ask in the comment section.